Hey guys, welcome back to Life Hacks, where we share clever tricks, DIYs, and innovative hacks to make your daily life more fun and enjoyable. And today, we re-rolling out a new set of 10 genius hacks that you re-gone, wish you knew earlier. From saving yourself some money by using simple household items to making your life much easier with a few creative tweaks, these hacks are simple, effective, and surprisingly work. So get ready to discover 10 genius hacks that will make you say, I should have known that before. And stick around, because at the end of the video, we got a special bonus hack for those who watch till the end. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Starting off our list is a game-changing trick for anyone who hates getting down on their hands and knees to look for things, or worse, still crawling around on the floor. If you've ever lost something small in between your couch cushions, you know how frustrating it can be. But there's a quick and easy solution to this common problem. All you need is a vacuum cleaner and a sock. Yes, a sock. Just cover the nozzle with a sock and secure it with a rubber band. Then turn on the vacuum and place it over the opening of the sofa where the item was lost. The vacuum will suck up the item and hold it in the sock without damaging it. This works great for finding things like earrings, screws, or batteries. Plus, it takes just seconds to do, saving you from having to spend precious time and energy searching for your missing item. If you struggle with watering your indoor plants, particularly when you forget to do it or tend to give them too much water, we've got a fantastic trick for you. To avoid overwatering your plants, simply drop 1 or 2 ice cubes into the soil once a week. As the ice cubes melt, they'll gradually release water into the soil, giving your plant's roots a slow and steady hydration. This method is ideal for busy plant parents or those who tend to overwater their plants. It's particularly good for delicate plants such as orchids or hanging baskets that require regular watering but can easily be damaged by spillage. Tired of untangling a mess of cables every time you need to use them? We all know the frustration of dealing with a tangled web of wires. But there's a simple solution that can save you time and keep your cables organized. Store each cord inside a toilet paper roll, then keep the rolls neatly stacked in a shoebox. It's easy to see exactly what cable you need without having to dig through a jumbled mess. Plus, you can label each box if you have multiple cables that look alike. This hack not only keeps your desk or drawer from looking like a bowl of spaghetti, but it also prevents your valuable cables from getting damaged. By keeping them rolled up and protected, they're less likely to be crushed or snagged, ensuring that they stay in great condition for years to come. Do you struggle with foggy mirrors, especially after a hot shower? We've all been there, standing in front of a steamy mirror trying to shave or apply makeup. But there's a simple trick to prevent this common problem. Rub a small amount of toothpaste onto the mirror and wipe it clean with a dry cloth. The toothpaste creates a thin film on the mirror's surface that prevents the formation of water droplets, keeping the mirror clear and fog-free. It's safe for most mirrors and requires just a small amount of toothpaste, making it an easy and cost-effective solution. So next time you step into the shower, do ain't forget to give your mirror a little love with some toothpaste and enjoy the benefits of a fog-free grooming experience. Ever had the sudden urge to drink a cold beverage, but you find that chilling it takes forever? Whether you need to cool a bottle of wine in a hurry, or you forgot to stock up on ice-cold beverages for your guests, we've got a simple and speedy solution. Wrap the bottle or can in a wet paper towel and then put it in the freezer. In just 2 minutes, you'll have an ice-cold drink ready to enjoy. This hack is incredibly useful when you run short on time and need a quick way to chill your drink. And it's surprisingly effective, especially for cans, since aluminum conducts heat quickly. Just make sure to set a timer to prevent the bottle from freezing solid. Are you frustrated by the frequent need to hammer in nails, only to find that you don't have anyone to hold the nail in place? You're about to learn a simple trick that will change the way you handle hammering. No more struggling with awkward positioning or missing your marks. Simply use a fork to hold the nail steady while you hammer it in. The prongs of the fork grip the nail securely, allowing you to concentrate solely on hammering it in straight and true. This trick is extremely useful for beginners, kids, or any situation where you need to drive a nail at an awkward angle. Plus, it's always handy to have a fork nearby whenever you need to hammer in a nail. So why fumble with your hand or balance a plank of wood on your knee? Grab a fork and get the job done quickly and efficiently. Have you ever noticed unsightly dents in your carpet caused by heavy furniture? Don't worry, there's an easy trick to fix them. Take an ice cube, place it on the dent, and let it melt completely. Once the ice is melted, use a spoon or coin to fluff up the carpet fibers. This simple technique is guaranteed to leave your carpet looking brand new without requiring any expensive repairs. And here's an additional tip. Use a toothbrush to carefully lift any flattened carpet fibers. This gentle approach is especially helpful for delicate carpets and will help restore your home's interior to its former glory. Are you wondering how to remove scratches from your wooden furniture naturally without resorting to harsh chemicals or expensive repair costs? Look no further than your kitchen pantry. Banana peels contain potassium, which is known for its ability to polish and shine metal surfaces. Rubbing a banana peel on a wooden scratch can help hide the damage, making the furniture look almost brand new. To use this trick, simply rub the inside of the banana peel onto the scratch and let it sit for a few minutes. Then buff the area with a clean cloth until the wood looks shiny and smooth. This natural remedy works especially well on darker wood and older pieces of furniture that have accumulated dirt and grime over time. Plus, you can feel good knowing that you're using a sustainable and eco-friendly solution, looking to elevate your breakfast game with perfectly cooked pancakes every time. Well, it's time to ditch the traditional measuring cup and opt for a more efficient and mess-free solution. Pouring pancake batter using an old ketchup bottle gives you perfect pancakes with clean edges and none of that precious batter wasted on your countertop. Not only does this trick prevent messy spills, but it also ensures that your pancakes cook evenly and maintain their shape. Plus, you can use the same technique for cupcakes or waffle mix, making it a versatile addition to your baking arsenal. So the next time you're craving a stack of fluffy pancakes, grab that ketchup bottle and get ready for a delightful breakfast treat. Have you ever struggled to open a jar? We've all been there. Wrestling with stubborn lids and searching for a can opener. But there's a simple trick to help you open any jar effortlessly. Just wrap a rubber band around the lid and give it a tug. The rubber band provides extra grip and leverage, making it easy to twist the lid and access the contents. This hack is particularly useful for individuals with arthritis or limited hand strength. But it's always good to have a rubber band handy in the kitchen for those unexpected moments when you need it. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and share for more amazing hacks. And for those who stuck around till the end, here's a special bonus hack. Wondering how to breathe new life into old, worn-out jeans? There's a fantastic upcycling idea. Cut the legs off the jeans, flip them inside out, and wash them on a gentle cycle to preserve their shape. Once clean, turn them right side out and stuff them with newspapers or towels to give them a new form. Let the denim air dry and you'll end up with stylish and practical new bags you can carry, hang, or store in your closet.